Good morning. I know you must be wondering how come Thursday and I'm available with my video. So guys, first of all, I have so many good news and so many exciting news also. And one tips. The good news, I was completely occupied with Career Development College of London to create my beta group level program that is about to finish, and to celebrate that I will be coming up with something very exciting, very new again. And I'm about to finish my 500 followers on my Facebook page. So for that purpose also, we will celebrate in a grand manner with something exciting. Maybe resume building workshop, maybe mock interview, maybe branding. It's depend upon your requirement. So we'll do a complete polling for that in our Facebook group and we'll decide which one to move ahead. Now coming for the tips today, I got one call. Actually, I got so many calls regarding this, and the question was, I lost my job in this pandemic, and now I'm applying for the interview, applying for the job again. So, what should I do? So, actually, the question was the I was able to understand the intention behind this question was how to write my resume if I have been impacted for COVID 19. So now I'll not give you gyans that you go and do training, and I know these things are just for the namesake, but you have to be honest. So I'll give you four tips. Four tips, actually, it's genuine tips. First of all, be honest. You can mention during the interview that I was taking care of my family, I was taking care of myself, I was taking care of my parents, I was taking care of my relative. Yeah, and you can say that my project has been rolled out, my project has been closed, whatever. Be honest. And second thing, you might hate me after that, but it is true because since last 2 months, almost 60 to 61 62 days, I was doing deep research why people are losing job during pandemic, I mean in this COVID time. So the conclusion came like it was planned. You were in the eyes of management. It was planned. We people are stopping ourselves not to learn, not to grow, not to face challenges. So it was planned. If it was not pandemic, if it was not COVID, then it might be something else. It is hard to accept, but it is true. So now what to do for that? I'll tell you one thing. There are so many organizations right now, maybe India or out of India, they are ready to provide free training or paid training. Go ahead, do some training and mention that duration, training duration in the resume. You lost the job, no problem at all, but what you have done during this time period, you have to utilize this time for your learning, for your certification, or do something to fill your career gap. I am not telling time gap, I am telling career gap. Okay, so be wise. Number one, be honest. Number two, you have to rebrand yourself, you have to learn something, you have to focus on your career gap. Number three, which is most important, I have seen so many resumes. I mean, till now I have seen more than 20,000 resume in my last 5-year career. But there are some people who are using month and year both to mention the duration of any experience. So I would suggest, rather than using month, you start writing I have worked in this organization from this year to this year. Let's suppose I want to mention, so I'll mention I have worked with Infosys from 2013 to 2015. That's it. I will not mention the month, from which month to which month I have worked, right? So these were the tips. Focus on that and work on this. Moreover, you can download the resume from link which I have already provided to you. Download, create one very nice resume and check your resume score. If it is more than 60, it is better. If it is less than 60, then you have to reconsider your resume to reformat that. Create resume, submit for the review, and I'll happy to review that. Thank you so much. One more announcement. This Saturday again 11 o'clock I am coming live, and this time the topic will be personal branding. So if you are someone who are stuck for brand yourself, you don't have LinkedIn profile, or you don't have portfolio, or you are applying the job, you are not getting the call back from the recruiter, then this live session will be 100% suitable for you. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you 11 o'clock sharp Saturday morning. Thank you so much.